There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube. Can't see me because I'm on a stupid angle and got crazy lights in the back, so it's kind of dark in here. But yeah, I got a few. I have to read from this thing because I can't remember all the names like everyone else. But anyway, I'm going to give shout outs in this video. One shout out goes to Outlaw Edge Customs because Arco's awesome. He likes watching everybody's videos and he likes promoting small channels, and I have to say, he got a pretty cool group of guys. It's fun. And hey, they seem all like, good old folks that just want to make, have some fun and like to build stuff. There's also Mill Creek Fab Shop. I think he's the guy with the one arm. They call him Lefty. I'm not sure. Anyway, I like to thank him for renaming my channel to Kawasaki Utah's Garage. That was a good one. There's also people, if you check on the bottom here, there's NZ Mopar. They're a good channel. So far, I have to admit, I like some of these recommendations are awesome. I don't sit there and actively search. Plus, YouTube algorithms suck because they hide all the big fat channels that everybody knows. So there's NZ Mopar. There's also DG Retro Customs. He's apparently looking for some help. So go to his channel and support his Patreon and PayPal. I don't do PayPal or Patreon because I do this for fun. I mean, I'm not, it's just my hobby. I have a totally opposite day job, so this is like, exact. There's also Mike O'Knight, which apparently is just started a channel. He's doing some pretty cool stuff. Apparently he likes to see all my comments in the bottom. So all kinds of, if you wonder why there's all kinds of dumb shit around the bottom, because that's just me. I like putting dumb shit on the bottom of my videos, and hey, apparently it amuses somebody. There's also Ralphie Customs. I really wasn't into bikes. I mean, I'm not a biker. I don't ride a motorcycle. My father used to sell motorcycles, but I like looking at motorcycles, and does a lot of cool work on his making all kinds of custom bike parts. I don't care if you're making car parts or airplane parts. I like just watching videos of people making stuff. It's pretty cool. And there's who the hell's this? Wayne Reynolds? Rain Reynolds? I don't know. Oh, that Wayne Reynolds, the Wasquee Wabbit, and nobody knows who it is on the internet. Well, anyway, who the hell's Wayne Reynolds? Those are just some of the channels that I like watching that Arco recommended, and I put a like, if you click show more, there's a link down below. And for all the rest of you rookies like me that want those links, just copy and paste them all. Just copy and paste them in every video. It's just like boom, 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 done. So yeah, get on it, Arco. Start putting our links in all your videos. You just got to put them in one video and just copy and paste. It only takes 50 million years to go through that stupid YouTube thing because there's so many goddamn things in there. But anyway, back to normal stuff. Thanks for everybody who's joined my channel. I apparently got 73 subscribers now today, which is awesome. I never thought I'd get 4, let alone 10. It's awesome. People like what I'm doing. I may not have done a lot of stuff in the last couple of weeks. It's been freezing cold in here. I know I have 60 million projects to do, but to me they're just hobby projects.